Good morning, this is Marco with Dry Pro Drain. I'm here at 3964 Beethoven in Los Angeles, California, doing a mainline sewer camera inspection on a fourplex condominium. There's a 6-inch cleanout, accessible cleanout right here in the middle of the driveway. Everyone's units are connected to this cleanout. There's a tie-in right there to the unit. This is newer construction. All this pipe here is new ABS fused piping system, which everyone shares in this main line. Another tie-in unit. All these units also have ABS new piping. So when they do new construction, they use ABS pipe. Okay, so my camera was able to get to about 80 feet in this 6-inch cleanout, 6-inch sewer main. I'm unable to go any further at this point due to the bends, but with it being new construction, all this piping is new. I'm going to see if there's another accessible cleanout to do a further camera inspection. Ending recording now.